Alright guys, it's me, the Scottish Walker here today, and I'm doing another review of the Lidl craft beer range. 71 Brewing calls Gear Shifter. No, the stuff you put in your nose, but the stuff you put down your throat. This delicious craft IPA from Lidl. Comes in at 5% ABV. It's a single hop Citra IPA. What else can you say about it? Here's what it says in the back about it. We're taking up a gear with the single hopped IPA. Citra takes the centre. A stage full hop flavoured. Oh, the head is stamped beautifully on there. It's a good 2.5 finger head. 2.5 finger head. And a San Miguel glass. There's little to no carbonation in there. It's here but not running up the glass. Citra IPA, so Citra hops comes in at the forefront here. Tropical mango and lychee all through. Let's see if it smells like those delicious fruits. Smelled like fruity goodness. Let's give it a little tasty sip. Gonna go for another. It's alright, it's quite alright. It's quite alright if you ask me, but there's some other bitter ones on the Lidl range. Get yourself down to Lidl. By Lidl Bridge in Kilmarnock.